this video to show you how important hygiene and the environment are in some countries. This is a closed gutter being opened. They got to drain the gutter and keep it neat. So after draining, it is kept clean to keep flies and mosquitoes away. Can we have this in some countries in Asia and Africa? Where we spend so much money on sanitation but see nothing. We don't see any better sanitation practices. This is Meet Child Show. I would like to see your comments in the comment section. Bye.